Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an extra satisfying ultimate clean with me video because I'm going to be going and doing some dusting later on in a space that I have not dusted in a very long time, and let me tell you, those clips are definitely satisfying. And we also have some really cute footage coming up of Holden because he was just all about cleaning with me this day. Normally he could care less about cleaning, but he just wanted to help me do the laundry. He wanted to help me pick up toys, and it was just so sweet. It was so cute. So I was really excited to include those clips of him in today's video. In other news, I would love to say that if you are new to this channel and you are enjoying this video so far, if you would please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it because I'm getting very close to 1,000 subscribers, and I would really love to hit that mark by the end of the month. And in any case, let's just go on and get started in this video. We are starting in the kitchen, as you can see, and I always have a ton of dishes. It just seems like I'm constantly doing dishes. My dishwasher is constantly being run. I'm always hand washing as well because I have so many dishes every day. Because I have a daycare at my house, I go through a lot of dishes because I have a lot of little mouths to feed. So that is definitely a chore that gets done quite a bit.
Bring you down whenever try to find a clever way to say that I'm better now. You look great, however, this can't wait for the better, cause now I got a clever mind. Cause baby, you and I, we lay awake at night, trying to find a light to keep this fire alive. Oh baby, you and I, we can't deny this fight. Oh, this fight. I'm drowning in your arms, still I want it all, cause I deny it. I am drowning in your arms, still I want it all, cause I deny we're no good for each other.
Well, I wanted to ask what you guys think of this whole coronavirus situation. I mean, I understand like a lot of people are getting so worried about it, but I kind of feel like it's being blown out of proportion a little bit and that people are just going crazy. Like all of this doomsday shopping is just insane. You go to any store and there's nothing left on the shelves, and I'm just like, what is everybody doing? Like, I kind of feel like it's just gotten out of hand and it's just like fear mongering at this point. So I would love to know in the comments down below, like, do you have a different opinion than I do? Like, should I be taking this more seriously? And I mean, I am taking it seriously. Of course, I'm taking the proper precautions because I don't want to get it, and I don't want anyone in my family to get it. But I just kind of think that people are overreacting a little bit and being as scared as they are. I don't know. Maybe, like I said, let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are on this. And have you been doomsday shopping? Have you been hoarding toilet paper? Like, I would just love to know somebody else's opinion on this that maybe has a different opinion than I do, because I don't know, my boyfriend's pretty worried about it, and his family is as well. They're all just like, we're in a group chat and they're all just chatting together all the time about what's going on now, and it's a lot in my opinion. Anyways, we are now going to move on into the bedroom, and I'm going to go ahead and start by making the bed because that's typically where I like to start. I feel like once I've got the bed made, then half the work is over in the bedroom. And then in a minute here, we're going to get on into the satisfying portion of the video where I'm going to be doing the dusting.
Comes to love, 'cause you know like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
Okay guys, so this is the area that I rarely dust, and you guys see me dust just kind of the outside portion of the dresser quite a bit, but I never dust back here in this corner, and all of these perfume bottles I never ever dust. So this is definitely very satisfying in my opinion to see. Even that wall behind was pretty dusty, but I rarely wear perfume. I should probably just get rid of a bunch of it, to be honest with you, because I hardly ever wear it. I run a daycare from home. Like I'm not going to put on perfume for, you know, a bunch of 2-year-olds. So I'm just going through all this stuff, and what I actually did was I separated out the jewelry and put it in my closet, and I just left the perfume out. That way I felt like it kind of cleaned up the area a little bit more, and I'm just wiping off all of these bottles because they are so dusty and so gross, and I just was so happy with the way this turned out, and I realized I definitely need to dust this more, because typically I just kind of go around all of that stuff and I don't really touch that stuff, and I just wipe off the dresser. But I definitely need to make sure that I'm dusting all this stuff a little bit more, because it was pretty gross. It had been a while since I had done this.
Meet me where the meadows grow by the water hole. Lucid dreams of you and me. Sky high, busy life, I wanna leave. Oh, muscle tight, early light, cleanse down jaw. Say my name or say it twice. Shed this layer of overthinking. Oh, I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. Let's go on the longest journey far away. See elephant out in the wild. Forget every word we've ever known. Sunrise, sunset, hopes and dreams and regret. Now it's
Okay guys, so now we are moving on into the laundry portion of the video, and I had a few loads of laundry here that I had to fold. So I thought I would show you guys this, and this is Holden asking me if he can help me with the laundry. So I gave him a towel, and that's him trying to fold the towel. It was so cute. He ended up just kind of like putting in a pile, but it was so adorable, and I just like, that's kind of the first time where he's really wanted to help me do things, and so I was really excited, because he watches me clean all the time, of course, and he's like, I help too, and this was his little pile that he folded. I tried to show him how to actually fold it, but he's 2.5, he doesn't he didn't really care, but he was pretty proud of himself that he was able to help, and I just thought it was the sweetest thing ever.
not gonna waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess. Oh, no, I don't wanna be less than I can be. I waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. You wicked drowning water. I wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water.
I wake up, stay in my bed for a while, 'cause I don't wanna start this day off like this. No reasons to get up lately. Not giving up, I'm not ready yet. I'm falling down from the sky again. Overload, I'm insecure, leave me be. And it just doesn't seem like me, making it look like I'm fine. I'm fine. Yeah, even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when
All right, so we are now moving into the basement. So this is my daycare room as well as my son's playroom. And Nana and Papa got us this awesome new toy box. It's actually an old toy box. They've had it in their basement for years and they haven't been using it. So they asked if I would like it. And so it's a toy box, but it also is a desk. So it's really cool. It kind of has double features there. And we were really happy to take it because I had all of the stuffed animals just in this large tote there. So I'm really happy that now we have an actual toy box. And yeah, and then this Holden also decided that he wanted to help me clean up down here as well. So you're going to see a couple of clips here in a minute that show him picking up his toys and going and putting them away. So I was really happy with that as well because he's actually starting to get into helping me clean up, which is awesome. I just have to make sure that I let him do it more often because sometimes I'm just in such a rush and I just want to get things done that I'm just like, it's easier to just do it myself, but it's also so important to be teaching him at a young age to clean up after himself because obviously you don't want him growing up not knowing how to do anything for himself. So I definitely need to remind myself more often that I need to let him help me a lot more, especially at this age when he actually wants to. Well, you guys, we are now nearing the end of the video, so I just wanted to make sure that I popped on here and just said thank you guys so much. If you are here at the very end of this video, I truly appreciate you watching all the way through. Not that many people do watch all the way through, so those of you that are still here, I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And I really hope that you guys are having an awesome day. Please stay safe out there. I know, like I said earlier, I'm not too scared of the coronavirus, but I mean, we definitely need to stay safe. So make sure that you are doing that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.